Welcome to my channel. I finally found these in Denmark, so I got two of them. They're quite expensive, but I've seen a few of these and I thought they look amazing, so I wanted to get a few of these for my own girls. So I'm gonna put one of these to the sides, and then let's open up the first one of these, finding the tear tap. Okay, did not work. This is not easy. That is not really good on there. Wow. I have seen a lot of bad tear taps like this one before, but not that bad. Okay, I'm gonna cheat a tiny bit here. Try to cut it open instead. And it has a second layer and it's all glued together, it looks like. Look at this. It's kind of glued together, so it's really difficult. Wow. Let's see if I can just cut this one and get it off. There we go. Okay, that was difficult. Let's get this one open. Woof, there we go. Two big half circles. We might be able to do something with this. I really don't know what, but if you have an idea for what to do with these, please tell me. Oh, let's get these things down here. So first we have the collector's guide, where you can see the backs. I really like that one. I would love to get that one or this one. That's the two I really want to get. And then of course the ring could be awesome. But let's see. I think this is the back. So let's open this one first. I like that this is paper. That's really neat. Okay. So I got a tiny dog. And these are really awesome glasses that can open and close. And they're actually see-through. I don't know if you can see that, but you can see right through them. I really like that. And this little dog, well, that I'm not so happy for the dog, but here it is. Let's see what it says about the dog. It's just a normal. Okay. So that was the small things. Let's get that into the frame. And then the sticker. I love stickers and I don't care if it is one thing or another, but this is a pretty sticker. I hope I don't get that back because I really don't like that one. So let's try out and see what I got. Woo! I got this fur back. Not the one I really wanted to, but can you find the rare mini bags? Is that a rare bag or what, since it's all alone on a pedestal? Is that some kind of rare? If it is, please tell me. Then a chain and a kind of a handle, and it's magnetic. I like that. And then let's take that out. Very nice sewn together. You can feel the magnet. I kind of like this one. I'm happy I got this one. I don't want that one. So the first bag is this fake leather print thing. It's not fussy. It looks like it's fussy, but it's not fussy. It's just a flat print on a piece of leather-like fabric. So that was the first one we got. I think that was pretty awesome. Let me put that to the side. and take the last ball here, and let's see if this is better. I don't think it is. Maybe. Nope. And it's glued together just like the other one. Okay, let's try just cutting up this scissor. If you do this, then just watch your finger. We don't want you to cut anything. Wow. These are very difficult to open. See if I can get this opened this way instead. There we go. GG 202-1105. It's the same number, so I'm hoping this is not the same one. So we got the collector's guide, the exact same as earlier, a bag and the small things and the sticker. So here is the sticker. That's another bag. I'm not that fond of this one, so let's see what's in here. A tiny purse, but there's no room for anything in this one. See if I can close it up, if this will work for me. It did. An MF for mini fashion. Another pair of sunglasses, and they are working as well. And then a tiny bottle of perfume, and I've heard that they actually smell. Yes, they do. Definitely smell like some kind of perfume. Yeah, both with the lid on and with the lid off. It really smells delicious. Very nice. I like that one. This one is more like a meh thing for me, but this little perfume bottle and the sunglasses will be perfect. This is going to be perfect on a Barbie doll. I know they fit because I've seen that. I'm not using the Barbie, but I think I know a few people that would love them. But this one will go very well in the size with my girls. And this one actually also, but I think it's a bit meh. Okay, let's see what bag I got in here. It's kind of big. Just let's... Oh no! I got a double! Oh, that's so sad. I'm sad about that. I wanted at least two different, but I got the exact same bag in both of these. But I got different things in the extra bag, so that's possible to get the same but with different kind of things in there. Oh, that kind of sucks. Let's open the one I did open, because I'm pretty sure you can have everything in here if you wanted to, even the dog. Maybe, maybe not. Nope, the dog can't be in there, but everything else can. I'm going to take a few pictures of this with my girl, so you can see the size comparisons with this and my girls. I might have to get another one because I really want one of the other bags, but I really think that they are cute. They're kind of expensive, but they are really detailed, nice soft fabric here, and the magnetic lock and the chain, all the details, the way it's sewn, and it's very nicely sewn. It doesn't look like there's any loose ends or stuff like that. So it's a very, very nice bag. I think it's really, really cool. So it looks like that these numbers might be telling us that it is the same bag in there. Okay, that was a little sad, a little disappointing, but I think these bags are really, really neat. So if you have an idea for what I can use these balls here for, please tell me, and we can look at that. So I will say that was it for today. A bit unlucky, but I like these small details a lot. So thank you for watching, and here is a few pictures for you.